Hello everyone. If you remember, during the summer I was trying to put these beautiful fences and the gate for my backyard. But I noticed that during the last storm, that middle piece here was shaking badly. So as the wind speed was over kind of 80 kilometer per hour, and the middle piece is just hooked to the left and right piece by those hinges, so it was not pretty stable. So here the right piece, it is directly attached to the post that I got there, and also the left piece, which is that one, is also attached to the wall using those screws here. So those one are pretty stable, can handle the wind, but that middle one was the one that needed more kind of support. So I got that piece of wood from Home Depot. So it is pressure treated. So you can see it is double-sided. So I got one for the indoor and the other one for the outdoor in parallel together. So I attached them all together from both sides, and from this side it is attached using those wood screws to the post. So hopefully it's gonna pass the future storms. I didn't have any problem with that piece, so because it was already attached to the post that I got there for the gate. So that one is also pretty stable and solid. And the gate itself is in good shape. So hopefully that in the future, in the winter, we're gonna see that one is not shaking anymore.